Hello, 5A. So it's been a long time since we have had a lesson, so I decided that today I'm going to show you a quick little cheat on graphing just so you can work on your homework over the weekend, and if you have any questions you can always look back on it. So the first thing I want to tell you and remind you of is X and Y. Remember, X is first, and then it's Y. You have to crawl before you can walk, before you can stand up. So you have to crawl, which means you're going horizontally, before you can stand up, which is vertically. So if this is our grid, this is our 0, this is X, this is Y. Okay, and I'm going to put some numbers on here just so we can graph. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so now I want to graph a point. So we're going to look here, and let's do 2, 4. This is our ordered pair, 2, 4. So the 2 is the X and the 4 is the Y. So first we're going to go 2 because you have to crawl before you can stand up. So here's our 2, and we're going to go up 4, and then I'm going to put my dot. Where they meet is where you will draw your dot. Okay? So in order to do a ordered pair, you need to have both an X and a Y. So sometimes there might be a point and you need to find out what the ordered pair is. You do the same thing. You have to crawl before you stand up. So we're going to go over 1, 2, 3, and you go up 2. So we know that our ordered pair is 3, 2. Okay? So that is how you solve ordered pairs. Now, you're going to learn about negative numbers today. Now, sometimes a number is negative, which means it's not a whole. So, if that's the case, we have -1. All right. So this is how it would look, our coordinate plane. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and then the negatives. Negative numbers are to the left and down. So negative is in this quadrant. Okay? We have negative and positive in this quadrant. We have positive in this quadrant, and then we have negative, positive in this quadrant. Now, I ordered these and put them in an order for a reason, because the X is positive in here and then the Y is negative. In this situation, both are positive because you have positive Y and positive X. Okay, I have both negatives here. You have negative Y and negative X, and you have positive Y, negative X. So therefore, I have my Y as positive and my X as negative. When we are calculating ordered pairs for negatives, you do the exact same thing. But if this symbol right here, which is a negative sign, is in front of a number, that tells you it's negative. If that is negative, then you have to go to the left. So you go -3, 1, 2, 3, we're right here. And then you have to go up 2 because it's not negative. If it was negative, you would go down 2. But you have to go up 2. So that puts our dot right here. Okay? So that's just something to remember too, that if it's negative, you do the exact same thing. You need to do your X first and then your Y, and you just continue the same steps, the same process. So X first and then Y. X first, then Y. I can't stress that enough. And every time in an ordered pair, you write down your horizontal, which is X, and then you write down your vertical, which is Y. Okay, have a good day. Bye.